What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Also with JesseW. Today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. Well, guys, today started off very disappointing. Very disappointing. Yesterday before the close, Boeing closed so strong that I was this close to buying some calls to swing. And I was about to pull the trigger on these 185 tomorrow expiration calls, and they were at $1.40 something, and I was about to buy 10 for an overnight swing, and I didn't, and here they are at $3.45. What's done is done. So this morning, that was already not a good start to the day, and I had multiple stocks on watch. I had Boeing on watch. I had Tesla on watch always. If Tesla can ever break, whenever it breaks, this $900 level with some oomph behind it, this thing's going to fly. So, I'm always watching out for that. Let's see here. I had GNUS on watch as well. Let's see where that's at. Ooh, that's pretty bad. This is why chasing is not good. That is nasty. Yep, you see it there. That is really nasty. Really nasty. I had DLPN on watch. This wasn't clean ever to me. GNUS had a much cleaner, setup right in here out of this halt. Boom. VWAP pop. That would have been nice. I thought about it, but I wasn't fast enough this time, unlike the last time where I did nail it. Let's see. What else did I have on watch? CIDM was on watch. Okay. Now, this would have been cleaner here for this pullback into VWAP, but the volume, look at this. You see this pullback candle here? Straight down. Look at the volume bar on that. Huge, huge. Lots of selling pressure. No thanks. So nothing there for me. And I had LUB on watch, LUB, but that's done nothing. I wouldn't be surprised in a little while to see this up over VWAP. But at the same time, things have kind of quieted down pretty strong here. So maybe it won't do it. What else did I have on watch? I think that's it. And of course, watching BA, and not surprised to see BA back up over VWAP. It's choppy. This is not, we go push to new highs, pull back to new lows, pull up above VWAP, pull back down underneath it, pull back above it. It's kind of hard. When it's like this, it's very choppy. And if you get chopped up, that's where you have to control your emotions and not revenge trade on it, because it can get to that point. Because you're thinking VWAP resistance, new low. Okay, I'm going to short the bounce. The bounce comes in, you short it, then you get squeezed out. Then it breaks back underneath it, so you might say, okay, I'm going to short it this time. Or you say you short it this time, it fails again. Now it looks like it might go test the highs again. So it's one of those things where you can easily get chopped up, and it's never fun. Meanwhile, you have the SPY, pushing. Like, this thing's just a machine. It's like so disconnected from reality. It's insane. But, maybe that's a tale for another day. Let's move these charts. I do have a live trade that we're going to go over. And it's a real nice, clean trade. Really nice, clean trade. Initially, I was looking for a short. And then I looked, I zoomed out of the picture. And I was like, I don't think this is a short. This is looking more like a long setup here. For a shot at a few $100 maybe. Man, this Boeing looks really good on the setup here with that VWAP break, but volume isn't impressive. Regardless, I'm not going to trade it. Now, all that frustration, I had to move it to the side and find myself a play so that I can actually take a trade today. Tomorrow I'm not going to be around to trade, so I really wanted to get at least a trade in today, since today is technically going to be like my Friday. I'm not going to be around tomorrow to trade. Let's take a quick look here at my long-term swing that I never got to add to. That's doing really nicely. It's up $2,000 so far between Disney and Boeing, but I never got to add to these. I mean, maybe one day Boeing will come back down here to like 150s and let me add to it again. I don't know. If not, I'll just be happy with this. And whenever it gets to $300, I'm going to turn this into $6,000 and I'll be happy with that. Man, look at Boeing go. So I had to push, all the noise out. and focus and find myself an opportunity to trade, because I really wanted to find an opportunity. I didn't want to just trade for the sake of trading. I wanted to find an opportunity and trade it. So I do have one live trade. It is a green trade. We're going to go over that here in a second. Before we do, something that I need you to do for me is go ahead and smash the like button. Also, make sure you check the comment section and the description section for the link to my new website. You're really going to like it. Tons of information I'm going to be uploading constantly. Every week there'll be new uploads on there, okay? Like from A to Z, I'm going to put up all sorts of good posts, all sorts of good informational posts on there. There's also a little web store where you can find some merch, some t-shirts and stuff like that, some trading shirts. I have one there that you guys know. I know you're going to love it, because it's a saying that we use here in the channel all the time, and it's called bail before the fail. So we have a shirt on there. Look at Boeing, guys. That's insane. That's insane. Anyways, so check out the website. It's hustlewithjessew.com, okay? The links, I'm going to leave them down there. Also, remember to check out Webull. You download the app, fund your account with $100. You get 2 free stocks, free trade, or first trade, I think it's called. You download the app, open an account, you get 1 free stock, no need to fund it. So that's 3 free stocks right there. You can sell them and go out to lunch, or if you got some good ones, like I got BYND a while back, you can go out to dinner. Now, look at that. What I told you, huh? Boeing going to test the highs. Anyways, so I didn't catch trades on any of this stuff, guys. I didn't catch trades on any of that stuff that I showed you. I caught one trade right before I was like, okay, I got to find something now, because it's now or never. And it was on futures. Yep, I switched over to my futures account real quickly, and I looked, and I was like, okay, well, I know that there's 115. Well, when I say 115, there's 31.15 resistance on the daily. So I can expect this to potentially be support zone now. It was resistance here again. These are 2,000 tick candles. Okay, I'll show you here on the. I actually put the 15-minute chart into the frame here. There you go. Whoops. Move that back. Okay, so here you go. You see this push here. This push here to 115 area, rejected, bounce, rejected. This was also a zone on the daily. So when I identified that, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna get long in front of that. I'm risking 1 point here for the shot at making 5 to 10 points. So this is a no-brainer for me. So let me. What? Oh, that's cool. I didn't know I could do that. The things we find out sometimes. Man, volume is really increasing on Boeing, guys. Look at that volume starting to increase there on Boeing. Look at that. That's awesome. Well, anyways, so I'm in. You see everything here. Here's my quantity. I'm long the MES. My open price is 31.1687. My stop is just underneath 31.15, so very small risk. And I'm looking for a push to this 31.27 area. If we make it there, great. If we don't, then I'm going to start taking profits along the way. So here you'll see that I'll set my stop. I set an actual hard stop right there. The cool thing about this software, okay, this Optimus Flow software, is that I can click the stop order here, and I can click it and drag it and move it up or down wherever I want. So that's pretty cool, because I don't have to go fumble around with the order entry or hotkeys or anything. I just click and drag. So I'm in 6 contracts here, and I'm looking for that push. I'll start taking profits. This wasn't a long trade. It was only about 4 or 5 minutes in length, and I just want to see it continue to push. Lots of green, lots of binds coming up. Boeing just pushed up there to highs. Unbelievable. It's struggling there a little bit. But I'm thinking I'm going to stick to the plan so far, as long as it's showing me some strength, and there it is. We get that big push up there to 122.50 area. I'm up $146 on these 6 contracts. And I'm thinking I'll probably start taking some profits off soon. If this 122.50 doesn't break, I wanted to see it break. I figured if we broke that, we're going to go straight to 125. There we go, we break it, but not with strength, which was kind of disappointing. So right there, I take off I cancel my stop order, and I start getting ready to take some profits off. Right there, we get that quick little push there. I take 2 contracts off right there. Then we kind of get this lot of selling pressure there, you see. So I take 2 more. And the SPY is rocking and rolling now, guys. And there we go. There's a SPY. I take the last 2 off. SPY's pushing to new highs as Boeing's pushing to new highs. So I take off those last 2 and book 140 something, $150 in profit. Not bad. I'll take it any day, especially to end the week. Look at Boeing, guys. We were seeing these like at $4 and change earlier. No, at 3 something. I showed them to you earlier at 3 something. Look at this going off at 5 something, these contracts. So 150 bucks, 140 something dollars on the day. I'll take that. I'm going to keep watching everything, see if I identify anything else that I can trade today. If not, that's it for me until next week. Hope you're having a great day. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section below. Check out my new website, hustlewithjessew.com. Let me know what you think, and I hope to catch you on the next one.